Hi guys, welcome to CAD CAE tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a SolidWorks software and how to this body is designed easily and clearly. And guys, today discuss here a part 11, and this is a lathe machine base and how to this body is designed. And this part is a lathe machine base, and all view is you can see here on the screen. And this project is a base wise lathe machine, and how to at first drawing a one by one all parts is a drawing here, and last is a all body is assemble here. Okay, and this is a top view, and this is a front view, and this is right view, and all view and all geometry is all geometry and all dimension you can see here on the screen is easily and clearly learn here, and how to use this dimension and this body is created here easily and clearly. And guys, this lecture is very important for a beginner student and also a professional student. And guys, this is all dimension in inch. Okay, and some missing point is some missing point is also available here, and this video is a full. Okay, this video is see a full videos, because some mistake point is discussed here also. Full video is you can see here. Okay guys, this body is okay, this is a drawing of this part, and how to this part is a one by one point is discussed here. And this all dimension is a use, and first to last is a this video is so see here, because one by one easily, and all parts is drawing here. Okay, this is isometric view, and okay, this is a back side is also perfect and correct. Okay guys, this body is a drawing easily, and one by one all point is discussed here. Okay guys, okay, let's start here. This body is design. Okay, at first going to this part, and some setting is very important. Plain white, and going to this document properties, and image quality is very high because all geometry line is looking perfect and correct. And at first this unit setting is a inch pound second IPS, and okay, all is perfect. This window surface is a design available here, applicable here. Okay guys, at first drawing this created here, length is this at first drawing this is a thickness is 7.25 inch, and this length is a 2.75 inch, and this width is a and height is a 1.56 inch. And okay, drawing okay, plane is select here, because this is a maximum drawing this and front plane is select a better, and select a front plane drawing this center rectangle. This is a corner rectangle is select here, and okay, this and this point, and press a control button, and this line is select here, and this is a midpoint. Okay, and define a dimension. Dimension is this is a 2.75 inch. Okay, and this is height, and width is a 1.56 inch. Okay, this is a per. Okay, and this is a 1.56 inch. Okay, because this is a large dimension is put here, because 1.56 inch is perfect. And going to extrude boss is apply here, and this is a mid plane is select here, and this is a 7.25 is thickness and perfect drawing here. And okay, this thickness is a 7.25 inch perfect. Okay, and okay, and midpoint is a perfect. Select here. Okay, this is a perfect drawing here, and material is apply here, and going to this appearance and metal, and this is a going to nickel, and polish nickel is perfect. Okay, all is perfect. Okay, and next is a this and this is a select this okay, and select here back side sketch normal. Okay, okay, this is a perfect drawing here, and okay, this okay guys, this point is a drawing this and drawing this point. This is a distance is 1.25 inch, and this height is 1.75 inch. Okay, and this center is a 1 point, and this radius is a 1.38 inch, and this center distance is a 1.19 inch, and drawing this body, this part. Okay, and okay, or draw here this. Okay, and draw a line is select here, or draw a line is created here. Okay, and this line. Okay, and this is a this and this is a this to this. Okay, perfect is correct. And this point select this line is a relation is tangent. Okay, all is perfect. Okay, and dimension is define here this is a 1.38. okay, and this distance is a 1.75 inch. 1.75 inch perfect, and this length is a 1.25 inch. Okay, and this distance is a okay some okay, and this is a delete here and drag this okay, and this is a horizontal, and this define this point, and this line is a this is a 1.19 inch. 1.19 inches. Okay, all is a fully defined sketch here. Okay, this distance is a all this dimension is looking here 1.75 inch, and 1 point this center is a 1.19 inch, and this radius is a 1.38 inch, and this is a 1.25 inch. Okay, all is perfect drawing here. And going to this extrude boss. Extrude boss is a this use a okay, and this is a up to okay, going to up to surface is perfect, and up to surface is perfect. Okay, all is correct and perfect. Okay, okay, this is isometric view. Okay, correct here. Okay, and this is a perfect. Okay, and next is this face sketch here. Okay, next part is created here this is this dimension is used here this is a 2.25 full. Okay, and this is a drawing here. This is a 0.69 inch, and this is a 2.25 inch perfect. and okay, drawing here this face sketch normal. Okay, and drawing this this line is click here this point. Okay, and some point is okay, okay, this point is this okay, okay, this point is distance is a 2 point. Okay, at first drawing a center line, and center line is this drawing to this, and this distance is a this is a 2.25. okay, and this is a 2.25 is perfect, and also this line is created here, and this is a and select this line, and this point is a line is select here and created this okay, and select this geometry is created here, and this is a okay, and okay, draw a okay, okay, draw this okay, drawing this and this is this okay, and a curve is drawing here this, and created this and this point to and connect to this. Okay, okay, and this is a perfect, and this line and this line okay, this line is a collinear and also a equal. Okay, this is a perfect relation, and both line is a collinear and equal is perfect relation is correct, and okay, and select this and okay, next point is define this radius. This radius is a 0.69, and this line to this distance is a 2.19. okay, all is this okay, and this is a perfect drawing here mention this all is correct here. Okay, and okay, and this line is created here this is a distance is a 2.25 and 2.19, and this is a 0.69 is perfect and correct. Okay, all is perfect drawing here and all is correct, and going to this extrude boss, and extrude boss is only this is a okay, and extrude boss is this is a created here 5 inch, and going to this up to offset from surface is this. Okay, all is perfect, and 5 inch and offset from surface is correct. Okay, and okay, okay, this part is a drawing here this, and okay, and drawing here Okay, and this is a base, and this face some color is a okay, and this okay, and this body is a color here. A body is looking perfect, and going to this and select a painted, and this is a red color, and this face is also this. Okay, all is perfect and correct. This body is created here, and next is drawing this and next part is drawing this select this back side and sketch normal. Okay, and drawing this part is a drawing here easily, and this part is a one by one is created here. Okay, at first drawing this center line and going to this okay, and at first drawing this center line is created here. This center line is this select mid line, and also this center line is this. Okay, this is a construction line. Okay, and drawing a circle is this circle is this is a select here and connect to this okay point, and connect to line is this mid point to this. Okay, and trim this extra portion is delete here. Circle is a drawing here this circle. Okay, and define a dimension. This dimension is a 1.13 inch is perfect, and this dimension is a 0.31 inch. Okay, this is a 0.3 inch is perfect, and okay, and this is a and this distance is a this bottom is this distance is a 2 inch. Okay, and this distance is upper is a 2.5 inch. Okay, all is perfect drawing here correct. Okay, all is perfect drawing here. This is a drawing this part this distance is a 2.5 inch, and this is a big radius is a 1.13 inch, and this a small circle is a this is a 0.31 inch, and this distance is a 2 inch. All is perfect drawing here. Okay, and select this and all is fully defined because all is black color, and this is a going to extrude cut. Extrude boss is a this and direction is a reverse, and this is a okay, and this is a perfect and this some a little point 0.5 inch is better. Okay, all is correct. This thickness is a 0.5 is perfect. Okay, and select this extrude and going to this color and painted is perfect. Okay, and guys all point is a mirror, and going to this select a plane is a right plane is better, and X mirror, and going to this is mirror here, and okay, and next is also mirror here. This select a front plane is better, and this is a mirror, and drawing this select this select a mirror is both part is a one time is mirror here. Okay, okay, all is perfect and correct. Okay, Okay, all is perfect. Drawing here and select this. Okay, and next part is this is a and cutout is a perfect and select here this. Okay, next part is this going to a cutout is this portion is cut out, and this is a 1 inch and this is a 1.25 inch, and this is a 1.06 inch and this is a 1.69 inch. This portion is cut out here. Okay, this face sketch normal, drawing this line, drawing this and this line is a select here, this portion is cut out, connect to this, drawing this geometry. At first drawing this 3 line. Okay, select drawing this center line is at first drawing a center line, because this center line is very important, and drawing a 3 line is going to this symmetric, and also this line is a drag here, this line is also, this 3 line is a symmetric. Okay, and both is a symmetric and both is a symmetric here, and define a dimension. This is a 1 inch and this is a 1.25 inch. Okay, and this distance is a this is a 1.69 inch this, and 1.06 inch, 1.69 inch is perfect, and this is a drawing here this 1.06 inch. Okay, and this line is this line, and press a control button, and this line is going to, okay, and this line, and press a control button, select this line, and this is a collinear. Okay, all is fully defined because all is black color, and all is perfect. 1.25 and 1 inch and 1.06 inch and 1.69 inch, and all is fully defined. Okay, and going to extrude cut. Extrude cut is this is a extrude cut is a through all. Okay, connect to this is not okay, and okay, but this is not, this is this portion is delete here, and a sketch line connect to this to this to this is a connect here. Okay, and extrude cut. Okay, this is a okay, this portion is also okay. Extrude cut through all, and this is a okay. This extrude cut is a very important cutting here. Okay, all is perfect and correct. Okay, and perfect. And next is select this face, normal, going to this whole wizard, and whole wizard is this, and this is a very important. Select this state tab, and this is a inch, and bottoming tapered hole is perfect, and select a size is 1/420 is perfect. Select here, this is a 1/420, and this is a blind, and this is a 0.63 is perfect, and this is a thread is a 0.5 is perfect, and this blind and 0.63. and position. Okay, select here this and going to center line. A center line is a drawing here. Okay, center line is this is center line, is vertical line. Okay, and perfect. Okay, and this is a okay, and this point is very important, and define a dimension. Dimension is this point, and this line is a 0.75 inch. Okay, and this point is not mentioned here, but this is a very important, and this point and this line is a 1 inch. Okay, this distance is 1 inch and this is a 0.75 inch, and this is a mirror here, a same here, and going to mirror and select this point, and this is a line. Okay, about this and select this and okay, and this preview is showing here this perfect, and click OK. This is a better, and going to this document properties and detailing and set cosmetic thread, check here, and then all this is a thread is a showing here is perfect. Okay, all is perfect and correct. Okay, and next part is select here this face, sketch, normal. Okay, and drawing a circle. Circle is this center line is this. Okay, drawing this portion is a cutout, and cutout is this and okay, and this is a 0.56 is better. This diameter is a 0.56. Okay, and this is a extrude cut. Extrude cut is this and apply here up to next is perfect, and select up to next is this and click OK. Okay, all is perfect. Drawing here and select a chamfer, and chamfer is a 0.075 inch and 45-degree angle is select here this and click OK. Okay, all is perfect, and click and select this face and drawing this and sketch this face, sketch, and select this inner line, and this is going to vertex, because this is a use of thread, and this is a created a thread is very important, and going to helix and spiral, and helix and a spiral is a click here, and then this at first going to this height and pitch, and going to this is a constant pitch is click here, and this height is a 4.025 inch and pitch is a 0.125 inch is perfect, and direction is reverse, and the start angle is 90-degree and clockwise. All value is a correct mention here, and this is a perfect, and this is a okay, and this path is a created here, and then profile is a created. At first going to select a plane and sketch normal, or drawing this line, drawing this profile, and going to this profile is created here. This is a Okay, and profile is mentioned here, this okay, and this is a delete here, and at first select this line, a profile is created here. This draw a center line, connect to this midpoint to this midpoint, and this is a vertical line. Okay, and this portion is delete here, this is a delete here. Okay, okay, and this is a very important, and dimension is mentioned here, this 0.06 inch, and this distance is a 0.08 inch. Okay, and this is a relation is delete here, and this is a this and okay, this point is this. Okay, and this is perfect. Okay, and also select this angle is a 29 degree. Okay, and select a profile distance is a this and this distance is a this is a 0.06 inch and 0.08 inch, both is a profile distance. And okay, and okay, and select this point and press a control button and select this path and going to this. Okay, select this point and press a control button and select this path and going to this appear, this is a pierce is selected and this is a correct. Okay, all is a perfect. Okay, and exit and going to this sweep cut is automatic, a profile is selected and this path is a select this and okay, this is a this preview is showing here, this created a thread and going to X. Okay, okay, all is perfect, and this created a thread is perfect, and this line is a the hide here, and this is a perfect, and click here. Okay, all is perfect and correct. Okay, okay, and this is a perfect drawing, correct. Okay, okay, at first then all part is created here, and going to this sum is a fillet is used here, and then this fillet is a 0.12 0.13 inch is fillet, and this is a 0.1 inch fillet, and this use a okay, all is perfect, and this fillet is used here 0.25 inch. Okay, at first select a fillet is 0.25 inch, it's select here, and going to this side, and then this side, and this is a and this side, and all side is use a fillet is very important, because this body body looking is perfect and correct. This okay, one by one is all is select here and click OK. Okay, this base. Okay, and next fillet is select here this 0.13 inch, select here and click this. Okay, and select this line, and select this line, and select this line. Okay, this is a okay, and okay, and this bench Vise Lathe machine base all fillet is used here one by one, and next fillet is used here this 0.001 inch, and select this all face, back side, this face, okay. Select this face and select this face, but mention here this is a delete here. One by one is this face is select here, and this face, and this face, and this is this face, because all point is perfect here, okay. And click OK. Okay, and select this first, second, and 3, and going to this and this is a color here, okay. Guys, all point is one by one is a learn here, and all point is a learn here is complete drawing this part and isometric view, okay. And guys, okay, and guys, all point is one by one is discussed here, and okay, all point is perfect and correct drawing here. And guys, next lecture is coming soon, and guys, I hope you will learn all point is learn here easily and clearly, okay guys. Thank you.